Guys, today we are going to harvest our pumpkins in the field in this village. How we harvest pumpkins in village, I'm going to show you. Let's go. At first, we are starting from here. Come. This is our pumpkin. Okay, we are going to harvest only the mature ones, which are ready to harvest. We can see they are becoming yellow sickle, and we are going to harvest it from here. Okay, like this. Okay, and I will show you entire process. Okay. This is our doko. We call it doko, and we are going to harvest from here. You can see this is come here, come here. Oh, this one is damaged one. You can see this is damaged one. This is rotten. It's rotten. I don't know why. Oh, here is also one. Look here. Here is also one. Okay. Oh ho! Wow! Wow!
Wow, what a big pumpkin. And go.
Look here, guys. This one is leech. It's feeding on me. Look here. Oh, it has fed my blood. These are snails. These are snails. They cause damages. They make small biting holes. They make holes.
We harvest
No,
this.
no, no. This is very fresh. This one is green pumpkin flower. Okay. This
Oh,
one is pumpkin, but this is also. Oh shit, 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 shit. Look.
what?
Although it's not ready to harvest, but it is very, very soft. I think it's damaged inside.
Yes, it's
Okay, wait.
rotten.
I will
Rotten.
just.
Oh. And go.
Now we are going to
One. Done.
drying these one. Okay. Like this. We always
Keep here.
dry these. Keep here in lines. Okay. Look that. This one is very, very, very matured, very hard, tough. Now, final step is remaining. As you can see here, this is a dung, cow dung. We used to seal this part with this cow dung to prevent it from to make
Rooting.
to for its longer shelf life. To prevent it from rotting early, you can see this is cow dung. Okay, cow dung, and we make this. There we make this like this. Okay, you can see it's our traditional method. As you know, traditional knowledge are our assets. We have to preserve them. I don't know what's the exact reason, but people used to say that it increases its shelf life, prevent from rotting. Okay, so
And make the
I'm
pumpkin
also making
healthier.
this first time. This I'm also making this first time. I don't know.
These are like birthday cakes.
No, no, no. What are you talking? Look, come here. We don't use gloves here in village. We don't ever use gloves. So we don't have gloves here. We cut there and dry there and carry
And
from
be
that
familiar
long
to the
distance
nature.
and preserve this making
and
we
flowers. We
make
call
sure
it
to like
lutto.
subscribe if you
Okay.
like our contents
We are
and wait
harvesting
for
this
our
one.
next video.